Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 21. Our learning goal for today says, I can describe the parts in a teen number. Friends, we have been working with these teen numbers and I think what we're going to do today is play a game. Are you ready? Okay, perfect. All right, so this is how the game goes. I'm going to show you a teen number. You're going to say it. What number is that? Good job. Can you think of another way to describe that number? Excellent. So we could say 11 or we could say 10-1. Perfect. All right, now this is the game. I'm going to give you some choices, and I want you to find the two parts that are hidden inside 11. All right, so you're going to choose two numbers from the bottom that you would circle. Go ahead. Tell me what numbers you would circle that are part of 11. Yes, 1. And what's the other part? 10. Ah, you're so good at this game. All right, so when I show you another number, we're going to try it. I want you to think of the parts as fast as you can. All right, and then as soon as you know them, turn to your person sitting next to you and whisper it to them. All right, here we go. Let's see who can whisper it first, you or your neighbor. All right, what number is this? Good. And you can describe it another way. What's the other way? Good job. You could say 13 or 10-3. All right, you ready? All right, what are the parts? Whoa, you guys are so fast. Yes, 3 is a part, and also 10 is a part. Oh, you are really good at this game. All right, let's mix it up a little bit. This time, I'm starting with the whole amount, just like I said a few minutes ago. What number is that? Yep, it's 17 or 10-7. Perfect. Now, I want you, as fast as you can, to tell me what two numbers would you add together to make 17. So I said 17 is equal to what? Yes, 10 plus 7. Ugh, you are so good at describing the parts of a teen number. I'm trying to play this game, but you're so good. You're so fast. All right, so our learning goal said I can describe the parts in a teen number. We played a really quick game, and it's something that you can play with a buddy at any time. Write down a number, give them some choices, and let them decide which ones describe the parts. See how fast you can do. Maybe you could race a friend. Okay, here's your exit ticket. All I want you to do, it says 18 is equal to something plus 10. I want you to finish that number sentence and send it my way. All right, good luck.